Mycelium is a network of fungal threads. These threads are called hyphae. The mycelium grows underground. It forms a vast, interconnected web. Mycelium is the vegetative part of a fungus. It plays a vital role in the ecosystem. Mycelium decomposes organic matter. This process enriches the soil. Mycelium also helps plants communicate. This network acts like a natural internet. Mycelium is a fascinating organism. It holds immense potential for a sustainable future. Mycelium can be grown in controlled environments. We use agricultural waste products. These provide nutrients for the mycelium. The mycelium grows and expands. It binds together into a solid mass. This process takes only a few days to weeks. The resulting material is lightweight and strong. It can be molded into different shapes. This makes it incredibly versatile. We can create packaging, building materials, and more. Mycelium-based materials offer a sustainable alternative. They are made from renewable resources. They require less energy to produce. Traditional materials like plastic have a devastating impact. Plastic pollution is a global crisis. It pollutes our oceans and harms wildlife. The production of plastic relies heavily on fossil fuels. Mycelium offers a stark contrast. Mycelium is biodegradable. It decomposes naturally in the environment. Mycelium production has a low carbon footprint. It does not contribute to harmful emissions. This shift from plastic to mycelium is essential. We must embrace sustainable alternatives. Mycelium paves the way for a greener future. Section 4. The Mycelium Advantage. Benefits beyond sustainability. Mycelium-based products offer numerous advantages. They are naturally lightweight yet strong. This makes them ideal for packaging. Mycelium can be molded into custom shapes. Mycelium materials provide excellent insulation. They regulate temperature and humidity. Mycelium is also fire-resistant. It does not easily ignite. These qualities make mycelium suitable for various applications. It is a versatile and sustainable material. Mycelium has the potential to revolutionize industries. Section 5. Mycelium in action: real-world applications and innovations. Companies are already harnessing the power of mycelium. Ecovative Design uses mycelium for packaging. IKEA and Dell have adopted mycelium packaging. This reduces reliance on styrofoam. MycoWorks creates mycelium-based leather alternatives. This material is used in fashion and automotive industries. Mycelium is also being explored for building construction. The possibilities of mycelium are vast and continually expanding. Research and development continue to uncover new applications. Mycelium is poised to transform our world. Section 6. A future grown, not manufactured, mycelium and the promise of a sustainable tomorrow. Mycelium represents a paradigm shift in material science. It is a renewable, biodegradable, and versatile resource. Mycelium can help us transition away from harmful materials. Imagine a future where products are grown, not manufactured. Mycelium can create a circular economy. This system eliminates waste and regenerates resources. Mycelium offers a beacon of hope for a sustainable future. It is a solution that benefits both the planet and its people. By embracing mycelium, we can create a world that is truly in harmony with nature.